Rudra means the one who roars. He roared. Like this, then we evolved many forms to describe this. This was Kala, this was Mahakala, this was Kala, this was Rudra, this is the first form, and then the many forms, how they came, there are various aspects to it. When we say Shiva, we're talking about that which is not. That means there is no container. It's not something that can be in a container of any kind, not even in a cosmic container. It is in the lap of Shiva that cosmos is happening, because it's that which is not. There is a coiled-up snake upon which a god is lying down. That snake is called Shesha. Shesha means, when we are learning mathematics and Indian languages, remainder. Remainder is called Shesha. What is remaining is Shesha. Even in our common language, we use that. Shesha means something left over. So, this snake is the Shesha upon which once again creation begins. Shiva is like Shava. Shava means a dead body, that means inert. He is not active, just inert. Supreme energy, but inert. So the story goes like this: Shiva was just lying there. Shakti, she's an offshoot of him, but she came and danced. And suddenly he woke up. Because she danced on his body, he woke up roaring, so we called him Rudra. Then he kind of settled down a bit. Then we called him Hara. Then he really settled down into an eternal state of stability. Then we called him Sadashiva, that means always Shiva. This is… a parallel is drawn. Today, nuclear scientists, or not in the sense of nuclear means today, people think it's all about energy. Not in that sense. Fundamental physics is talking about this. If you create vacuum states, that means absolute nothing states. If you… not inside that, around that, if you pass some electrical charges, suddenly virtual protons and virtual neutrons will get created in the vacuum space. In a space where there is absolutely nothing, not even the electrical charge. Electrical charge is only dancing around that. Because of this, virtual protons and virtual neutrons happen. This means it is possible to create something in that absolute nothingness. So, this is traditionally said. Shiva was lying down totally inert. You will see images like this in India. Shiva is lying down like dead. Shakti is standing on his chest and dancing. This is the imagery that they created. When energy acted, suddenly this inert space exploded into activity with a roar. So he was called a roarer or Rudra to start with. Rudra means the one who roars. The scientists call it a bang. Now, the scientists are withdrawing that bang theory, that one big bang theory, and they're saying there were a series of bangs. The yogic system has always been talking about an ever-expanding universe. For the first time, top-level physicists are beginning to recognize that there is no beginning and an end, it is an endless universe. It is a popular theory going on right now among the scientific community that universe may be endless. 84 is a significant number today in our lives, whether we are aware of it or not. Why 84 is significant is, this existence has passed through 84 happenings. 84 times it has happened. This is the 84th time. So these 84, out of these 84, many have dissolved. Their bare, vague footprint is there, but they have dissolved. But the footprint is there in this. 21 of them have a little larger footprint. Out of these 21, 10 are almost non-physical. So non-physical, let's say. The remaining 11 are somewhat mildly physical, but the last 4 are reasonably physical. There is a coiled-up snake upon which a god is lying down. That snake is called Shesha. Shesha means, when we are learning mathematics in Indian languages, the remainder, what do you call it? Remainder. Remainder is called Shesha. What is remaining is Shesha. Even in our common language, we use that. Shesha means something left over. So, this snake is the Shesha upon which once again creation begins. So this Shesha leftover, the leftovers are there from last 21 universes. But the imprint of the leftover is diminishing as you go backwards and increasing as you come forwards. But the last 4 are significant.